Tejco brings to you SkinSense and TrichoSense device, which gives you a detailed analysis of key parameters of skin and hair. Here are all the accessories which are utilized during the analysis. The device has a unique USB lock key which has to be inserted before starting the software. Install the software CD as per user manual instructions. Once the software is installed, insert the lock key and the USB wire of the device. Double click on the software icon. Let's start the skin analysis. Click on the SkinSys icon. First step is patient registration. Name, birth of date, year, month, gender and marital status is mandatory. An image of the patient can also be captured. Press save to save the details. Let's start with the first parameter, moisture. Moisture can be checked of T-zone or U-zone. Take the moisture meter and put the power button on till it beeps at 0.0. Now keep the probe on the T-zone till it beeps and gives us a percentage. Enter the percentage and click on Data Application. Repeat the same process for U-zone if required. Click on the next parameter, oil. Oil measurement, take the sebum sheet and place it on the T-zone for 5 to 15 seconds. And keep it face up on the sebum stand. Zoom in the camera probe till you acquire a clear image. And press click on the capture button. Click on the image analysis icon. Third parameter, skin texture. Use the 12x side illumination cap. Place it on the area which needs to be diagnosed and capture. Click on image analysis. Next parameter, keratin. Use a polarized 50x filter cap and place it on the area which needs to be diagnosed. Then click on capture and next on image analysis. Fifth parameter, size of pore. Side illumination cap and place it on the area which needs to be diagnosed. Press the capture icon to click the image. For sixth parameter is pigmentation. Use a 14x polarized filter cap and place it on the area which needs to be diagnosed. Click the capture and then on image analysis as done before. Now click on Total Results to get a graphical view of the analysis just conducted. Wait, don't do anything. Click on Detailed Result for knowing a detailed analysis. There is a print option to print the reports. We can now see a detailed report of each of the parameters of skin. Image of the patient as shown in the reference image alongside. Select the hair loss area and identify the grade. Now click on the Save icon. Next parameter is scalp analysis. We now fit a 100x cap in the camera. Capture a high resolution picture of the scalp. Click on the image and then click on the individual hair strand about 5-10 for an average count. Click on Reference Images for scalp type and then compare the picture taken with the reference image. Then choose the one closest to the actual. Press Apply. Click on Reference Images of the Pore Status icon. Click Save. Click on Total Results. Graphical view of the analysis just conducted. Click on the Detailed Result for knowing a detailed analysis. We can click on each parameter of the hair to get the detailed report. Thank you for your time and hope you had an enjoyable demo.